तो finally we've come to this day. Finally 7 years of long distance के बाद I get to live with my boyfriend. And to disappoint you guys, it's the end of this era as well because I'm leaving tomorrow and I've promised myself I will not try in this video. But I have to spill the tea on how my experience has been. So welcome to me reviewing my boyfriend after a 3-month trial.
सुनो अच्छा अच्छा बोलना मेरे पास भी बहुत कुछ है बोलने को
Listen, अपने opinions के लिए अपना channel बनाओ. Also, I'll be very non-biased here, as the great Ted Mosby has said.
No more sitting on the fence. Robin, get me my legal pad. It's pros and cons time.
So let's begin with the pros first. Now, साथ रहने का मतलब है sharing the responsibilities as well. And we had this golden rule where we decided कि अगर ऐसा कोई चोर है जो मुझे नहीं करना है, he'll be doing it. So he's been very accommodating. He's cooked for me, he's cleaned the house for me, he's taken care of the bathroom for me. He's also gotten a label maker to just organize my makeup for me. It's kind of like I have a PA. So 5 points for that. And ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने घर में कोई काम ही नहीं किया है. It's just मैं अपनी तारीफ खुद क्यों करूँ? As someone who struggles with overthinking, overanalyzing, doesn't understand the concept of letting go of the past, I don't get good sleep. But with him next to me, he is ready to put some sense into me. The best thing has been अगर रात में मैं किसी भी चीज़ को लेके परेशान हूँ, we just get out in the balcony and यहाँ की ना railing थोड़ी ऊंची है तो we get 2 chairs, stand on them and I rant my heart out. I literally look at the city view, look at his face, rant my heart out and finally get to sleep. I will say this has been the biggest perk of living with my boyfriend, so plus 10 points. I literally feel calmer and happier. So जब मैं यहाँ शिफ्ट कर रही थी, I literally thought my life would be like an Instagram movie or a reel. पूरे time we'll be romantic and we'll just have good conversations, romantic vibes, candlelight dinners, sexy times. Because that's what I have seen so far on the Instagram reels. But reality check, कभी-कभी romance also means that the other person is just handling the house for you, getting you snacks when you're busy, when you're working. And हमारी तो working hours भी बिल्कुल match नहीं करते थे. By the time he completes his work, India में 2-3 बज रहे थे तो high peak time चलता था and I would be editing till 9 p.m. So he would get me snacks in between, he would cook dinner for us. He would also sit besides me late night ताकि मैं अकेले study में काम ना कर रही हूँ. Would also go out for random walks because I am feeling weird in my stomach. As somebody who's lived with her younger brother for the last 2-3 years almost, I felt like मैं almost एक वो mother का image संभाल रही थी, which felt like a burden. From handling the house, खाना, अपना काम, अपना struggle, हर चीज़ खुद manage करना was getting a little too much. So this 3 months has been really good. And again, I would like to give him 10 points for this. Okay, so in the last 3 years that I've lived with my brother, the biggest complaint he's had is my hair. कैसे हर रूम की हर फर्श के कोने में मेरे बाल पहुंच जाते हैं. And I was expecting the same thing literally the second day when I took a shower in the washroom. And Harshad just आया and he looked at the floor of his washroom, his pristine white washroom, and मुझे लग ही गया था ये कुछ बोलेगा. And I was like ready to pick up all the hair and I was like clean कर रही हूँ मैं. उतने में he just went back, got his little weapon and went like इसी दिन के लिए तो इशता डाइसन लिया था तुम्हारे लिए. सोचो कितना आराम से तुम्हारे सारे बाल क्लीन कर लूंगा मैं. And then he cleaned the washroom and of course the conversation turned into a Dyson का ad, but plus 5 points for the gesture क्योंकि बहुत रेयर ऐसा हुआ है किसी ने मेरे बालों के बारे में कंप्लेन नहीं किया है. You know how there are 7 love languages? Touch, gesture, gift, I don't know all of them, but you know it. Harshad की love language is a little different. He would observe me, he would see अगर मैं किसी चीज़ के साथ struggle कर रही हूँ, and he would think of the best possible AI solution for it. चाहे वो मेरे वर्क रिलेटेड हो, मेरी नींद से रिलेटेड हो, मेरे इंस्टाग्राम डूम स्क्रॉलिंग से रिलेटेड हो, he would just find a app for it. And it has taken me a lot of time to appreciate this because I'm somebody who wants gestures, flowers leke aao, ye sab karo, which he did the first time. But over the time of these 3 months, I've gotten to appreciate it a little more. Like literally उसने पूरा एक schedule बना दिया था कि this day I have to post this. So उससे एक दिन पहले I have to edit all of this. Literally my hour to hour कैलेंडर बना दिया था उसने. ऑफ कोर्स आई डिडंट गेट टू फॉलो इट बिकॉज वो बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग हो गया था, बट आई विल गिव हिम 3 points फॉर दिस. Maybe in the future he gets a full 5 point for it, but abhi ke liye 3. Okay, one of the bestest parts though have to be the unexpected, fun, random moments that we got to share. जैसे कि randomly सुबह 5 बजे उठ गए हैं तो रूम सेट कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद croissant के लिए बाहर चले जाते हैं, या फिर एक दिन randomly सुबह 6 बजे ड्रोन उड़ाने के लिए बीच पे चले जाना. He also tried watching Sex and the City with me. वो तो पूरा हो नहीं पाया, but he did watch Happy New Year and Garam Masala with me. I love Bollywood ऐसी random comedies, and he also matches my singing and dancing outbursts. So full 10 out of 10 for this. He's literally made me feel as if I'm having this long ass sleepover with my best buddy. हम अपना ही खाना बनाते हैं, कुछ भी देखते हैं, कुछ भी करते हैं, कभी भी कहीं भी चले जाते हैं. अभी भी मेरा मन कर रहा है कि मुझे आइसक्रीम खानी है निकलने से पहले यहाँ से. So I will have my favorite ice cream here. We literally made a schedule कि हम हर week groceries लेने जाते हैं. We'll have ice cream. He'll collect the points for it. I get to consume more sugar, and then we'll walk back home. Okay, I exactly don't know the words to explain this, but somehow he just keeps on taunting me. I become the butt of his jokes randomly उसके दोस्तों के सामने. I mean, it becomes a weird mix of like living with your brother. Also, he is like a kid. हमारे पास यहाँ एक drone था because I'm getting it for my friend. The man literally would fly it in this small living room and get it to the bedroom. हमने उस balcony से भी उसे उड़ाया हुआ है. He is like a kid who would just randomly get excited for random things. Now the con in this is, एक दिन ऐसे मजाक में his friends made us do the Varmala exchange randomly. And मैं तो acting भी कर रही हूँ proper ऐसे वो shy, coy, एकदम almost about to cry वाली bride का. The man is playing basketball with that Varmala. उसने literally ऐसे फेंक के मारा है ना वो गले में. I got a trailer कि अगर हम कभी गलती से शादी करते हैं ना, मैं तो रोते हुए आ रही होंगी और ये गेम बना के बैठा होगा वहाँ पे कि आए ये लड़की स्टेज पे तो मैं फेंक के मारूंगा वरमाला इसके ऊपर. सो या आवर रोमांस लेवल्स डोंट गेट टू मैच.
आंटी का कॉल है बेबी.
One thing that surprised me the most about living together is how much you get to push each other to improve and grow. Like I push him to go to the gym. He pushes me to be a little more organized. And we both ignore that and spend time on this exact couch while watching PVT. Until कोई घर पे आ रहा है तब तो क्या सफाई होती है 10 मिनट में. Like literally people have walked in and they've been like, घर कुछ ज़्यादा ही साफ नहीं है. Of course साफ है क्योंकि 10 मिनट पहले ही हुआ है. But yeah, we are both quite lazy in our own ways, which I will say is a con. मतलब हम में से कोई एक तो सुपर प्रोडक्टिव होना चाहिए था. दोनों लेजी निकल रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्या होगा. We are two completely different beings when it comes to consuming content. I am somebody who rewatches her own comfort shows, old Bollywood movies, and he's somebody who likes to be updated with all the, critically acclaimed movies and shows. आधों के नाम भी नहीं पता होंगे, वो मुझे इसके ट्रेलर दिखा रहा हो, क्या ये देखते हैं. But I feel that works well for me because I got to watch some really amazing shows because of him. क्योंकि वो मैं अकेले बिल्कुल नहीं देखती. वो जो थोड़े थ्रिलर शोज होते हैं ना, दे मेक मी वेरी एंशियस. मैं तो शो बंद कर देती हूँ एकदम वो पीक टाइम पे बिकॉज आई कुडंट हैंडल द सस्पेंस. सो आई विल से आई एम वॉचिंग बेटर कॉन्टेंट, बट इट्स अ स्ट्रगल व्हेन यू हैव टू सिट एंड डिसाइड कि खाने के टाइम पे क्या देखना है. अभी तो चलो 3 महीने हमने बीबीटी देख के निकाल दिए. लिटरली 2 घंटे पहले आई वॉच द लास्ट एपिसोड ऑफ बीबीटी एंड आई क्राइड माई हार्ट आउट. बट आई डोंट नो आगे हम क्या करेंगे. Because we've never had the chance to enjoy each other's company like this ever before, it literally pushed us to be, how do I say, chipcode with each other. Like there have been times where I know I should be working, but I preferred cooking something for him. Like literally मेरे दिमाग ने romanticize कर लिया cooking for him as well.
No, I mean it's all good. I just make some changes in that process, well.
अगर वो नीचे कचरा भी फेंकने जा रहा है तो I'll be like, मैं आती हूँ ना साथ में. उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट आई नो आई वेस्टेड अ लॉट ऑफ माई टाइम एंड हिज टाइम ऑल्सो. लिटरली हिज फर्स्ट वर्ड्स टुडे वर, फाइनली तुम जा रही हो, आई कैन वर्क इन पीस, क्योंकि मेरा मन नहीं लग रहा है काम करने में. सो वाइल वीव गॉटन दिस अमेजिंग टाइम टुगेदर, आई फील इट्स बेटर फॉर अस टू फोकस ऑन आवर थिंग अ लिटिल. हम कुछ ज़्यादा ही साइडलाइन हो चुके थे एंड ऐसा आगे ज़िंदगी में नहीं चल सकता है. सो या, दैट्स अ बिग कॉन. Okay, this has to be the biggest con of this entire 3-month trial because I'm freaking out about how I'll go back to living all by myself. It's equal part of sad and frightening and 90% making me anxious. But it's fine. I think इस brief time के बाद I am literally more sure of having this man in my life. And पहले तो मैं joke भी कर लेती कि
No.
मैं कभी भी इंडिया छोड़ के बाहर नहीं जाने वाली हूँ. How will I ever be able to survive in a new country all by myself? But अब I can't say that anymore. Because literally सबको पता है. This is the happiest I have been in the longest time. So, yeah. I mean, cutie pookie sa hi hai ye. Even in my lowest times, it's nice and comforting to have him around. So to wrap it up, if you ask me, has it been worth living with my boyfriend for these last 3 months? I would say absolutely.
Because you barked where nobody has barked before. But the next time I meet
अभी भी कल तुम अकेले नहीं रह रहे होगे. Melbourne is accompanying you. नहीं?